Welcome back, riders! Today we're looking at the brand new 2026 Honda XR350R is the dirt legend reborn. If you love off-road power, reliability, and classic XR toughness, this bike is going to blow your mind. Let's jump straight into what makes the XR350R the real comeback king. Design and build. The 2026 XR350R brings a rugged look with modern upgrades. Sharp LED headlamps, reinforced frame, longer travel suspension, and classic red-white XR graphics. It's built tough for trails, rocks, rivers, and anything nature throws at it. The iconic tall seat and slim body make it perfect for control and balance in any terrain. Engine and performance. Under the tank sits a powerful 350cc single-cylinder 4-stroke engine, tuned for strong low-end torque and smooth top-end delivery. With fuel injection and liquid cooling, this XR is faster, cooler, and more efficient than ever. It's perfect for adventure riders who want power without sacrificing reliability. Suspension and handling. Honda equips the XR350R with long travel inverted front forks and a Pro-Link rear shock, giving unbeatable stability off-road. Lightweight plus high ground clearance means you can climb, jump, and slide with total control. The dual sport tires make it equally comfortable on highways and dirt trails. Tech features. This XR isn't just mechanical muscle, it's modern too. Digital speedometer, trip meter, gear indicator, Bluetooth-ready diagnostics, and selectable riding modes for dirt and street. It's classic XR spirit with 2026 technology. Price and final thoughts. Honda targets this XR350R toward riders who crave adventure without breaking the bank. Strong, reliable, affordable, and built for the wild. If you want a bike that's born to explore, the 2026 Honda XR350R might just be your next ride. Outro. So, what do you think? Is the XR350R the dirt king of 2026? Comment below, hit like, and subscribe for more bike reviews and rides. See you in the next adventure!